We're going to do part 3 of the physics book. Let me try to get into motion.
Oh my lord, can I not get run over, bro?
Here's physics and shows amplitude and photon. This one shows X-rays, Higgs boson, and acceleration, which I like that rocket, which is pretty cool. Okay, physics right here. It's a study of energy and matter and how they are interact. And most fundamental of far-reaching of all sciences. It says right there. It doesn't show anything at the bottom. It shows the atom right there. There's M equals mc squared, which is Einstein. I think that like the E right there, which is mc squared, stands for Einstein right there. Which he was Albert Einstein was a scientist. He's the one that probably discovered physics too. And here's the first beginning, which is part 3, because I already did part 1 and 2 of this book. Mass, weight, density, speed, acceleration, force, inertia, friction, and gravity. Let's start with mass, which is about the object. Like I said about the ball globe, which had mass, and same with the reflector, mirror, and the two 80mm fans. Those have mass too. And mass is right there. Measure amount of matter in an object. Probably even gravity changes. Mass stays the same. It means linked to inertia, which is measured in kilograms, kg. Right there. Discover Isaac Newton. Mass of Earth. Right there. 5.976 times 10 to the 24 kilograms. Mass of Earth's oceans is right there. It's made up of atoms too, and molecules. Now weight is what we are made from humans, and some other things. Is the downward force depends on gravity. He is measuring newtons, not kilograms. Don't get him confused with mass, or he'll call in the heavies. Funny, right there. Weight of the moon is 1/6 the Earth weight. Weight of Mars is 2/5 the Earth weight. Weight of Jupiter is 2.5 times Earth's weight. And there's their weight right there. Destiny. Let's see what destiny is. Destiny is a way of describing how tightly packed a substance is. More tightly packed and denser substance. It's measured in kilograms per cubic meter. kg/m.
Well, there you go.
And right here. Destiny, right there. Destiny iridium and a destiny of a black hole. And this is destiny right there. Nice name. Now speed is my favorite one with this dude. He's the good one. He gets everything started.
Oh shit.
Because this long cover and distance divided by friction. Only thing that makes speed lose its cool is measured in meters per second. So meters per second. Land speed record is 760.34 miles per hour. Right there. 40 fall speed records 83.9 miles per hour. Fastest man-made speed object is 100,057 miles per hour right there. Now my second favorite one right here is acceleration with the rocket, which is measure how quickly things pick up speed, but not a force. You need to feel it as a force. Measure in meters per second. ms/2. Acceleration due to gravity 98 meters per second. Cheese acceleration just over 1 gram. Fastest spacecraft acceleration 8 times 10 minus the 5 ms. Now force, this one is a good one right there. Force is the overpowering bully that measured in newtons. Gangs pick up mass and acceleration that push things around. This follow your 4 fundamental visions. Okay. Discover Isaac Newton. Force is gravity, weak. Strong force, electromagnetism, which is the fan, copper coiling, which is the delta fan, copper coiling, which is electromagnetism. Same with the Nyack ultra flow. I mean, New Deck Nyack. It's hard to pronounce. Yeah, I did the others.
Oh, you little fuckface.
Okay, inertia. Inertia shows 3 atoms, so it must be something. Let's see what inertia is. Inertia is a sudden born consumer measure in Newton meters, which is Nm.
This motherfucker trying to kill my pastor.
Related to mass objects won't move unless forced to. In a moment, it takes it difficult to stop. Okay.
Yeah, he did. He tried to
discover Isaac Newton. First idea for use is a 330 BC. It could be used in a measure of mass. Now, friction is the one I have two objects rub against each other to create heat. Friction causes heat. It's stuck in the mud force, who hates the types of movement when two substances slide past each other. Often causes moving parts to heat up or wear. Slippery stuff near frictionless carbon. Stickies glue about 7 million Newton meters.
That's sad. Yeah,
Gecko feet friction 20.1 inches, 4 times the gecko's weight.
That's funny how.
And now this one where everything's bound, including Earth mode and some objects that you throw. I was gonna give you another example of gravity right here, like this shot ball, which is a ball. If I throw it up, it comes back down. That's gravity right there. Or like when this ball rolls right here, definitely gravity. But also when the ball rolls, it's also acceleration because it's picking up speed. Okay, let's see about gravity. Gravity is the force of attraction between two objects. The fundamental force never quite disappears. The gravity is huge. Galaxies actually been light. Discover Isaac Newton, range infinite, theory of gravitation observed. Right there. So we did gravity. I think we did this in like part 2, but if we want to do it, it's alright. Let's do. I think I did this in part 2. I don't remember. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try this again because we didn't do this. Oh yeah, we didn't do chapter 2. Hot stuff. Okay, let's do hot stuff.
Yeah, we saw
energy.
Energy
is hot stuff that burns desire and things done. It's amount of energy and mass in the universe and consists of measure in joules. J. Just enough calories call used for food.
I dare you to do some shit like that.
Discover sad Cameron. Energy used in U.S. per year 9 times 10, 19 joules. Power output of the sun 4 times 10 times minus 26 joules of energy right there. Potential energy is like my fan. It's only if you. I'll tell you potential energy. Potential energy is energy on tap. It's stored energy which we can turn into kinetic energy. High song ready go off and measure in joules. Okay. Discover William Rankine. Highest roller coaster drop 456 feet or 1.39 meters. Energy in 3.5 ounce, 100 grams of chocolate, 2,000 kilojoules, which is potential energy. Like I told you about, the 80mm fan has potential because it's not moving whatsoever. Kinetic energy is dynamic character who gives business on things that on the move. Heat, kinetic energy is a substance, molecules, depends on the mass and speed and measure in joules, which is J. Discover right there. Energy of a nuclear bomb 4 times 10 minus 15 joules of energy. Power of a Hercules 1.3 times 10 to the minus 7 joules a day. Whoa, there's kinetic energy. What is entropy? Let's see what entropy is. Okay, entropy is a measure of disorder in the universe. A master of disaster and enemy of all machines. Perfect excuse never cleaning your bedroom. Wow.
What?
That's an entropy.
This motherfucker.
Discover.
What the
fire walking on pit temperature 1,200 degrees or 650 Celsius. Lowest boiling point negative 452 degrees or negative 269 Celsius helium. And there's entropy. Hard to pronounce. So that's entropy right there with helium.
Oh!
Now vacuum, you could find vacuum tunes or vacuum of space. Okay, vacuum is an empty void where there's no stuff hanging around. No matter if you're around, no friction to slow things down. And complete sucker use her high-tech physics experiments. Okay. Discover torus measure of outspace 10 to negative 16 torr. And emptiest artificial vacuum 10 to negative 13 torr. So let's see. Now it's black body. It's dark stuff. Black body. Ninja like Shadow who swallows and stays in the light crew. Perfect absorber and emitter of electromagnetic energy. And radiation of black body depends only on its temperature.
He needs to stop moving. He needs to stay
Discover right there.
So I can kill him.
Most unusual black bodies, BB hot stars. Best BB, which is black body carbon, absorbs 97% of light. It probably only remits the remaining 3% now. Is reflective. And there's black body right there. We did this in part 2 anyway. So I'll stop right here. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll do daily videos.